Good day, students and viewers. You are welcome to the studios of MathsX. We are still on set theory, and in this class, we are on the second part of our use of Venn diagram in calculations. I trust that in our last class, you were very enlightened on how to use your Venn diagram to solve two sets or two subsets and three subset problems using your Venn diagrams. In today's class, we are going to press even deeper because we'll be using Cambridge and WASE questions as our for our exercises. My dear students and viewers, if what we do is of value to you, we would urge you to not just watch our videos and like our videos, we would urge you to subscribe to our videos. As you do so, God bless you. Let us begin. My dear students and viewers, there's a question here on the board for us on sets, and we are going to read it together. This question is a Cambridge IGCSE question, and I find it very interesting. It's quite voluminous. And I want us, my dear students, to go through it and then we'll work it together. The question says, in a region of mixed farming, farmers keep goats, chicken, and sheep. There are 77 farms altogether. 19 farms keep goats only. 8 keep only chicken, and 13 keep only sheep. 13 keep both goats and chicken. 28 keep both chicken and sheep. And 8 keep both goats and sheep. Draw the Venn diagram to show the above information. That's our first question of the day, and we're going to work on this part of the board. So, my dear students, here we go. So that the first question says that draw the Venn diagram to show the above information. The second question here is saying calculate N, G intersection C intersection S, which means number of farms that farm on on all of chicken, goats, and sheep. So it's not just a case of both chicken and goat and sheep, or goat and chicken. It's which farm does all three of them, of all the 77 farms that are in the region. So that's what we're going to do. And as usual, we're going to start with the Venn diagram because that's the first part of the question. If you don't have the Venn diagram correct, you are out. So here we go. For our solution, my dear students and viewers, here we go. So we'll draw the subsets for all three and farms. This is our goats, our chicken, and our sheep. And this is our universal set, epsilon. So we need to put down this Venn diagram. That's what I'm doing now. So you are told that in a region of mixed farming, farmers keep goats, chicken, and sheep. There are 77 farms altogether. 19 farms keep goats only. So this is my 19 that keep goat only. 8 keep only chicken. So this is my 8 that keep only chicken. And 13 keep only sheep. So that is my 13 that keep only sheep. Then 13 keep both goats and chicken. So goats and chicken is 13. All right. 28 keep both chicken and goats. So chicken and goats is 28. That's it. And 8 keep both goats and sheep. 8 keep goats and sheep. So 8 keep goats and sheep, my dear students. So I've put in all those 8 keep both goats and sheep. That we should draw the Venn diagram. So that's what I'm doing now. The next thing I want to say is that let x equals the number that keep both goats, chicken, and sheep. So I'll fix that X here. So for doing this, this is our first score. We've just answered the A part of the question. This is the A part of the question. I just dealt with it in the solution. So having done this, let us work on the B part. The B part is asking for this number that farm on both goats, chicken, and sheep at the same time. They're not just doing one. They're not just farming on one. They're not farming on two. They're farming on all three animals or farm animals. To be able to solve this, we must recognize the fact that this region here, where you have goats and sheep, the X is also there. So we'll subtract whatever number here from X. The same thing, this region that farm on both the chicken and sheep, there's 28. The X is also in this region. So there will be a subtraction of whatever value X is, which we'll soon find out. That's what we are supposed to find. And also this region here where you farm on goats, as in the Venn diagram region here where farms are farm on goats and sheep, there's 8 and there's X also in that region. So this need to subtract the X. And then we're going to now solve for our X. We know that altogether we have 77 farms. So if I may, I could put 77 here. If you don't want to do it, leave it, but here it will show. So I have here 77 farms. That is all together. That's what it is here. All together will be equal to, first of all, we have 19 plus 8. I'm using 19, 8, and 13 first because those are the farms that farm on strictly goats, chicken, and sheep. So we have here 13 plus 13. Then I'll begin to add up these inner regions here. So that will be plus 13 plus minus X. This one plus 8 minus X plus X, that is here. I'll pick up this. Then, of course, plus 28 minus X. So let's see how I can take some off and keep some. First of all, I'm going to have 77 equals 19 plus 8 is 27. 27 plus 26 is 53. 53 plus 8 is 61. 61 plus 28, 9 and 8 is 89. So I have 89 here. Then of course, plus X, minus X plus X is gone. And then I have minus 2X here. So that I have 80 minus 89 plus 77 is equal to minus 2X. I'll have to take off this part of the board. So my dear students and viewers, from here, we have minus 89 plus 77. Minus 89 plus 77, that will be minus 12. Minus 12 is equal to minus 2X. Of course, from here, X is what? 6. Minus cancels minus. So, therefore, our N, as in our number of farms that farm on goats, chicken, and sheep is actually what? 6, because we said that this value was what? X. So if X is 6, it means that number of farms that farm on all three livestock, that is goats, chicken, and sheep, are what? Only 6 farms were able to do that. My dear students and viewers, this is the much calculation we can take for today. We trust you are thoroughly enlightened. In our next class, we will do more calculations, and I will probably pick a WASE question this time around. Until we meet again, my dear students and viewers, keep watching the videos of MathsX, like, share, and do not forget to subscribe. As you do so, God bless you. Thank you for your time.